Everyone says to trust your intuition. Mine once told me to bleach my hair when I was 15, and we see how that ended up. Your intuition could be like a smoke alarm. Goes off for real danger and also just for the burnt toast. Sometimes it feels like you're being inspired by divine wisdom. Other times you might just be dehydrated. If you feel a strong hunch, write it down, ignore it, and then act surprised later on when it was right. Because that's how spiritual growth works, through mild regret and snack breaks. Remember, your inner voice can guide you, unless it's really just your stomach speaking, and then you should eat lunch first. And if your gut is screaming at you while you're doing something fun, tell it you've acknowledged the feedback and continue doing whatever feels right.